How's it going, everybody? This is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, coming to you with another episode of Multi-Section Monday, where every Monday I showcase one multi-section home. And this Monday, I'm bringing to you the Platinum Denali. The Platinum Denali is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,590 square foot cabin of nothing but rustic dreams. You'll see right here, it starts right here on the outside of the home. You have an exterior porch that's standard. You have composite decking, a lifetime warranty on that decking, cedar rails, and exterior ceiling fans. And if that doesn't give you enough of the rustic feel, you'll definitely get it when you are inside here into the kitchen. It opens up right here. Nice open floor plan. You have an elevated bar area so you can put some stools there. Have a nice serving area and plenty of countertop space. We went with the hickory cabinets that you'll see all throughout the home. We have the soffits up above the cabinets finished out so you can add decor of your liking. We've got the tray ceiling up above, and we put the stained hickory accent in there as well. We also have clerestory windows here, bringing in the natural light, and it complements the stainless steel farm sink and appliances that you get here in your kitchen as well. Went with the tiled backsplash, giving it the nice rustic feel with some different colors that are pulling out of the hickory. And then it flows right here into your utility room. We have one of the 3 exterior doors here, and you have enough space here for your full-size washer and dryer, and additional space here for a freezer. And again, if you know me, you know I always talk about platinum cabins. The big thing is solid doors. It's real Southern yellow pine throughout the whole home. And you guys follow me back through. And speaking of the Southern yellow pine, all the trim throughout the home, the baseboards around the windows is Southern yellow pine as well. And again, we stained it with the hickory stain. Look at all this lighting coming in from the windows. It's perfect, gives you the open feel, and you have the wood-burning fireplace, real rock. We have the mantle up above, and the space is already wired for your flat screen TV. Again, we went with the tray ceiling up here as well with the clerestory window, so you got it on both sides. That's what opens this cabin up so much. And enough room right here for everything that you need, couch, chairs, recliners, and you have your 3rd exterior door here as well. You see we've got the nice chair rail going throughout the home, coming down the hallway, which leads into your first bathroom right here. You'll see we went with the tub shower combo that is tiled, giving it a wonderful look. And this works well for the guest room that's right across. You'll see enough space for a queen size bed. And then we also, here as well, have the double door going into the closets, giving you a lot of space there. And then we have the other guest room right across. We also have a coat closet here to hide away everything. And then another guest room here, which you actually fit a king size bed in here. Again, we have the closet, nice hickory stain on the doors. If you follow me back, the fun doesn't stop here. It's just getting good because we're going back to the master. And you see, speaking of the hickory accents, we've added one here in the master. Right there on the wall, bringing together that rustic feel. And you have the sliding barn doors here to your master closet. Got the real wood shelves and rods inside, and then the ensuite master bath. This is great because you have the dual vanities right here. You have the tub, the soaker tub here as well that we have trimmed out in the hickory, and we have the tile shower. It's a stand-up tile shower with the rainforest head, so that comes right down on you. You've already got these sets here for your shampoos and soaps. And You thought you only got one master closet, you've got two. So it can be his and hers or hers and hers. Whatever you need, you got enough space for everything in this home. And you guys follow me right back through, and you'll see why this Denali can be the next cabin for your property. This is a perfect home if you're looking for a 3-bedroom, 2-bath cabin and you want that rustic feel. It gets no better than this right here. And you see how it just opens up when you come back in. You've got nice fireplace, all this light, all this natural light coming in to this home. Platinum Cottages does it like no other with their Denali model. And remember, you come in, you ask for Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, ask about the Denali and how I can get that for you. And I thank you for tuning in to another Multi-Section Monday. Remember to like, comment, subscribe to the videos. Let me know how I'm doing. And I'll see you guys next Multi-Section Monday.